Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss some multiple choice questions from the chapter integrals. Question number 1. Evaluate integral 1 by x minus root x dx. Right, this is integral 1 by x, write down root x into root x minus root x dx. Now take root x common in the denominator. Root x minus 1 dx. Let us take this is I. Let root x minus 1 is equal to t. What is root x differentiation? 1 by 2 root x dx is equal to dt. What is 1 by root x dx? 1 by root x dx is equal to 2 dt. Now this integral I is equal to integral 1 by root x and dx. This entire term we will write 2 dt. This is 1 by t into 2 dt. This is equal to take 2 outside, 1 by t dt. What is integral 1 by t? This is 2 log mod t plus c. This is equal to 2 times log, what is t value? Root x minus 1. Root x minus 1 plus c. Because log always will take positive values, that's why write down root x minus 1 plus c. Which option is correct? Option C is correct one. Question number 2. Evaluate integral secant square x divided by root tan square x plus 4 dx. We know that tan x differentiation is secant square x. Let tan x is equal to t. Then secant square x dx is dt. Then numerator secant square x dx, we will write secant square x dx is dt. That is I is equal to integral 1 divided by root, what is tan x is t square plus 4. 4 write down 2 square. T square plus 2 square dt. We know formula. What is integral root 1 by x square plus a square log mod x plus root x square plus a square plus c. This is equal to log mod t plus root t square plus 2 square plus c. Now substitute t value is equal to tan x. This is log mod tan x plus root tan square x plus 2 to the 4 plus c. This is the answer. Which option is correct? You may observe here log mod tan x plus. That means option B is the correct answer. Question number 2. Evaluate integral cos cubed x e to the power of log sin x. This is integral cos cubed x e to the power of log sin x dx. E to the power of log sin x dx. Only sin x. This is equal to integral cos cubed x into e to the power of log sin x is sin x dx. This is equal to let cos x is equal to t. Then differentiation of cos x is minus sin x dx is equal to dt. But here only sin x dx. This implies sin x dx is equal to dt minus dt. Then I is equal to this I is equal to integral cos cube t cube sin x dx minus dt minus dt minus integral t cube is equal to t to the power of 4 by 4 plus c. What is the value of t? Here value of t is cos x. Substitute this is cos x minus 1 by 4 t to the power of 4 cos to the power of 4x plus c. Which option is correct? Option C is correct. Answer is minus 1 by 4 cos to the power of 4x plus c. Question number 4. Integral 0 to pi by 6 secant square x minus pi by 6 dx is equal to I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 6 secant square x minus pi by 6 dx. If you are taking x minus pi by 6 is t, dx is equal to dt. Otherwise, directly, what is secant square integration? Tan. Because here, suppose ax plus b is there, divided by a will come. What is integral secant square ax plus b dx is there. 1 by a tan ax plus b will come. Here, coefficient of x is 1, therefore tan x minus pi by 6 plus c will not come because definite integral 0 to pi by 6. Then upper limit minus lower limit. Tan pi by 6 minus pi by 6 is tan 0 minus tan x is equal to 0, substitute minus pi by 6. This is tan 0 is equal to 0. Tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta, minus minus plus tan pi by 6. Tan pi by 6 is nothing but tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Which option is correct? Option A is correct. Answer is 1 by root 3. Question number 5. Evaluate integral dx by e power x minus 1. Write this one as 1 by e power x minus 1 dx. Take this is I. Divide numerator and denominator by e power x. We get I is equal to integral. Here 1 by e power x is equal to e power minus x divided by e power x by e power x is 1 divided minus 1 by e power x is equal to e power minus x dx. Let 1 minus e power minus x is equal to t. Then differentiating, what we will get? 0 minus e power minus x is minus e power minus x dx is equal to dt. This is equal to e power minus x dx is dt. Now, what is I is equal to? I is equal to 1 here e power minus x dx is dt. 1 minus e power minus x is equal to t. Denominator is t, that is integral 1 by t dt. This is equal to log mod t plus c. This is log mod. What is t value? T value is equal to 1 minus e power minus x. 1 minus e power minus x plus c. You may observe which option is correct one. Option B is correct one. Question number 6. Evaluate integral 0 to 1 sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Let x is equal to tan t. Then what is dx? Secant square t dt. Limits also you change, please. If x is 0, here given x is 0, then what is t is equal to tan inverse x. T is equal to tan inverse x. T is equal to 0. Next, if x is equal to 1, then t is equal to pi by 4. You know that time tan pi by 4 is equal to 1, tan 0 is equal to 0. Then what will be I? I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4. We change the limits in terms of t. Sin inverse 2 tan t divided by 1 plus tan square t into what is dx? Secant square t dt. This is integral 0 to pi by 4. This is sin inverse. What is 2 tan t by 1 plus tan square t? Sin 2t into secant square t dt. This is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 2t secant square t dt. Take t outside, 2 into integral 0 to pi by 4 t into secant square t dt. Use by parts. Islet, inverse, islet. You know islet, no? Islet. Which function is first function? Inverse, logarithmic, algebraic. This is first function. This one is second function. UV method. First function, integration of second function minus integral of differentiation of first function, integral of second function into dt. Total limits 0 to pi by 4. Then you may observe clearly. This is equal to 2 into t integral secant square t. Integral secant square t is tan t minus integral t dash. Differentiation of t is 1. What is integral secant square t? Tan t dt. Limits 0 to pi by 4. This is 2 times t tan t minus what is integral tan? Log mod secant t 0 to pi by 4. This is 2 times. Substitute upper limit pi by 4. T is equal to substitute pi by 4 tan pi by 4. You substitute tan pi by 4. What is tan pi by 4? Tan 45 degrees is equal to 1 minus log secant pi by 4. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Secant is equal to root 2. This is upper limit minus lower limit 0. T is equal to 0, 0 minus secant 0 is equal to 1 log 1 is equal to 0. This is 2 into pi by 4 minus log root 2. Log root 2 means 2 to the power of 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2 log 2. To send inside pi by 2 minus log 2. This is the answer. Which option is correct? Option A is correct one. Students, this is possible to solve in another method also. Sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x squared. Use direct formula and solve it if you know the formula correctly. Question number 7. If d by dx of f of x is log x, then f of x equal to differentiation of f of x is log x. F of x means antiderivative of log x. Antiderivative is nothing but integration. Therefore, f of x is equal to integral log x dx. Integral log x, there is no direct formula. That's why I write 1 into log x. 1 into log x. You know highlight method. First one is inverse, not there. Logarithmic and algebraic. Logarithmic is first function. This is first function, this is second function. By parts method means first function integral of second function minus integral differentiation of first function. Differentiation of first function integral of second function dx. This is the formula. This is integral 1 dx is x. This is x log x minus integral log x differentiation is 1 by x. 1 dx is x into dx. X will get cancelled. This is equal to x log x minus what is integral dx? X plus c. Take x common, log x minus 1 plus c. This is the answer. Which option is correct? You may check. Option C, x into log x minus 1 plus c. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 8. Evaluate integral minus 1 to 1 mod x minus 2 by x minus 2 dx. What is mod x minus 2 definition? Is equal to x minus 2 if x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. That is, x is greater than or equal to 2. This is minus of x minus 2 if x minus 2 is less than 0. That is, x is less than 2. Here is limits minus 1 to 1. Means both are less than 2 only. Therefore, what is the modulus of x minus 2? Minus of x minus 2. Integral minus 1 to 1 mod x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 dx is equal to integral minus 1 to 1. This is minus of x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 dx. X minus 2 will get cancelled. This is equal to minus dx is minus x. Lower limit is minus 1, upper limit is 1. This is equal to minus of upper limit minus of lower limit. This is equal to minus 1 plus 1. This is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is the correct answer. Option D is correct one. Question number 9. Evaluate integral e power x cos x minus sin x dx. We will use the formula e to the power of x into f of x plus f dash x dx formula. This is e power x f of x plus c. This is the formula. Here, let f of x is equal to cos x. Then cos x differentiation, what is f dash x? F dash x is equal to minus sin x. Then what will be I? I will be integral e power x into, what is cos x? F of x. Minus sin x is f dash x. That is plus f dash x dx. What is the formula? E power x f of x plus f dash x dx is e power f of x plus c. This is equal to e power f of x plus c. This is equal to e power x. What is f of x? Here f of x is cos x plus c. Here in the options also everywhere plus c we should write. Then which option is correct? E power x cos x. E power x cos x plus c. Option C is correct answer. Question number 10. Find minus 5 to 5 f of x dx, where f of x is mod x minus 2. What is mod x minus 2 definition? This is equal to minus of x minus 2 if x minus 2 greater less than 0. That is x is less than 2. This is possible to write. This is 2 minus x. Next it is x minus 2 if x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0, that is x is greater than or equal to 2. The function is changing at x is equal to 2. Therefore, write the integral I is equal to minus 5 to 5 f of x dx is equal to integral minus 5 to 2 f of x dx plus integral 2 to 5 f of x dx. Minus 5 to 2 means x lies between minus 5 to 2. That means less than 2. This is if x is less than 2 means that is 2 minus x. Minus 5 to 5 to 2 minus x dx plus 2 to 5. X lies between 2 to 5 means greater than 2. X minus 2 dx. This is equal to 2x integral 2 dx is 2x. Integral x dx is x square by 2 minus 5 to 2 plus this is x square by 2 minus 2x. Then 2 to 5. What is upper limit minus lower limit? Clearly substitute here. Substitute x is equal to 2 first. 2 to the 4 minus 2 square by 2. 4 by 2 is 2 minus. Now let us come to lower limit. 2 into minus 5 minus 10 minus 5 whole square is equal to 25 by 2 plus here what is upper limit? Substitute 5 square 25 by 2 minus 5 to the 10 minus lower limit substitute 2 square by 2 4 by 2 is equal to 2 minus 2 to the 4. This is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2 minus 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 it will be plus 10 to minus 20 minus 25 minus 45 minus minus plus 45 by 2 plus what is this one 25 by 2 minus 10 20 that is 5 by 2 minus 2 minus 4 is minus 2 minus minus plus 2. This is equal to 2 plus 2 4 plus 45 by 2 plus 5 by 2, denominator is same, 50 by 2, 50 by 2 is equal to 25, this is equal to 29. Answer is 29. The correct option is B.